everyone. Yes, this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity, and you can guess what it is. Yes, kids, it's a science experiment, but before that, you know what we do. So let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Yes, this is Shipra on behalf of Yellow Class. Welcome you for a science experiment as a DIY activity. So what experiment we are going to do today? I am using a glass. This is an empty glass where air is only there. Okay. Then I have taken food color, green color it is. I have taken honey kits and simple oil, the cooking oil. So let us see what we are going to do today. I am just adding water. This is my plain water. I will be adding it little bit in my tumbler. So you can see I have added water in the beginning. And my water is here. You can see nicely. The water is here. Now I will add little oil. What do you think what will happen? I am adding little oil. Will it go down? Will it mix? Or will it be on the top? Yes. So what happened? It stays on the top. The reason? Okay, I am not going to tell you right now. Let's see what happens with honey. So I added water first, then the oil. Let's see what happens when I add honey. Is it going to mix in water? Or is it going to float? Or what happens? Oh my God. What happened, kids? So the oil is on the top, the honey has settled down, and the water is inside. Let me just add little color to it. So I have added little color, which is slowly and slowly just going till the water and not going till the honey. So basically, kids, it's a density experiment where honey has the maximum density and it settles down. While water, which can be a colored water, which can be a plain water, remains in the center because it is little lighter than honey in density. But oil is very light in density. That's why it remains on the top. The density of oil is very less in comparison to, is very low in comparison to water and honey. So that's why it makes a layer. Even if we'll try to mix it also, after some time, they will again settle down like the same way earlier they were settled. The oil will come on the top, honey will go at the bottom, and the water will come in the center. Now the green color has completely mixed with the water, and you can see nicely that the honey is at the bottom, the green color is here, and the oil. Kids, as I have mixed it again, I'm mixing it nicely again. Then also after some time, all the things will again come to their normal positions where the honey will be at the bottom, water will be in the center, and oil will be at the top. Oil can be, water can be of no color, or you can just add food color just for fun. I have added food color just for fun, kids. And you can see that The oil is here, the green color is still here, and the honey is again at the bottom. If you mix it again and again, then also after some time this will happen, because oil being low in density, then the water, and the honey is having the maximum density. So you can try this sweet experiment. If you don't have food color, no worries. This is just for fun. And do try this experiment. Share your pictures, share your comments. Do let us know how you have liked it. Thank you for watching this video, kids. Shipra is going to come back again with new DIY activities. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.